Draft projects have been started, but finished has not been selected. Click the button Draft Projects to continue a project. Click to select which draft project from the list. For this example, click to select the project called STEM Design Process. Click Next. Kit Merge will take you to where you stopped. Continue with each remaining step. In this case, click Share your Google form to make sure your form is ready to send. Make edits. When done, click Send to get the URL. For this example, click the link icon. Click Copy. Close the Google Form window and click Finish to officially complete this project. Your draft project is now completed. Send the URL to the form your recipients to complete and submit. That's it. You're done.